just a heads up, this is my third time making this video. So, okay, done. I feel bad news. My computer has broken down. The screen you see right here is not my computer, it is my laptop, which I'm right now leasing from a school. So that's great. But and my computer has completely broken down. My main PC, I should maybe say. It won't display anything on the screen. Even with my second monitor, nothing. With all the cables that I have and everything, nothing will display. So I have a few options. Of course, one of the options is just simply to make programs and games on that keyboard, but no, I won't. So that is why. And also I would have to like upload everything up to my GitHub. A little bit of an ad right there. And also, for that reason, I will be stopping streaming until I get a new computer. Yes, it also hurts me to say this, but yeah. Of course, I will still be posting YouTube and all those sort of things because I need to. And also, I will still be working on stuff. This is right now my operating system, my custom calculator that I tried to do. Oops, chachas. But that's my options right now. I will probably take with option number 2, just simply make all this viable. Oh, and also the videos will be like this and this, and maybe also these, but no more Unity tutorial. Maybe I'll be doing 1, 2, 3 or 4 like Unity tutorials. Of course, GitHubs, there will be more and more things on my GitHub. For example, my website right here. Which of course I will be also updating every day. Maybe not every day, but yes. Oh wait, was it this? That was my GitHub. Oh, maybe I actually also should be signing in. Look at this. Of course, no more streaming. It hurts me to say this, but no more streaming. I've enjoyed streaming so much, but this PC can't run OBS. And that is the main thing that I use. So expect me not to make any more streams. Of course, still work, even more work, more work. And of course, all this will be tracked. So you all also can make suggestions on a new program, game, everything on either this comment section down there or on any other of my videos. You can also, maybe if I get the time to do it, I'll maybe also make a new repository just only for ideas. Of course, you could also just simply reach out for me over at my h.io. Where, for example, I have Welsh Cubey, Firehole, Welsh Cubey 2, and a new game that I'm trying to make on my main PC. But there it is. It's been fun to make this journey, but the journey has come to an semi-stop now. So I will say goodbye to all you out there, and goodbye to the PC about down there. Goodbye, and I will thank you for staying with me. So goodbye.